Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm very much excited to share with you book recommendations that have changed my perspective on success, personal growth, and relationships. As someone who's always looking for ways to improve, I've spent a lot of time reading books that have helped me with everything from communication, personal growth, to financial wisdom. They're life changing principles that I've applied in my own journey. So, the first one we have is The Art of Public Speaking by Dale Carnegie. This classic book is for people who want to improve their public speaking skills. Dale Carnegie takes you through techniques and strategies that'll help you overcome fear and speak confidently in front of an audience. The key takeaways from this book are: number one, mastering the art of storytelling. Carnegie emphasizes the power of storytelling to connect with your audience emotionally and engage them in your message. Number two, power of authenticity. One of the best lessons from this book is to be authentic when you speak. People connect with sincerity. Number three, overcoming fear. He provides practical exercises to overcome the fear of speaking in public, something that has really helped me a lot. So let's talk about why this book is worth reading. If you want to lead, motivate, influence, or inspire people, you can't skip the skill of public speaking. This book will make you feel more prepared and feel more confident to express yourself in any situation. So, the second book that we have is Ikigai by Hector Gargia and Francesc Miralles. This book takes you on a journey through the lives of people in Okinawa, where they live longer and happier lives. The secret? A clear sense of purpose. So let's talk about key takeaways from the book Ikigai. Number one, discovering your purpose. Ikigai shows how identifying the intersection of your passions, what you're good at, and what the world needs can help you find your clear purpose in life. Number two, balance is the key. How the balance between work, rest, and social connection is vital for a long and fulfilling life. Number three, living with intention. It encourages you to slow down, a practice that's really has changed the way I approach my life. So let's talk about why this book is worth reading. If you're feeling lost or unsure about your purpose in life, this book will help you find one. It's a great read for anyone who is seeking a meaningful life. Book number three is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This book is about building strong and positive connections with people both professionally and personally. Key takeaways from this book are: number one, power of listening. One of the biggest lessons that I've learned from this book is the importance of being a good listener. People like to talk about themselves, and if you truly listen to them, they'll appreciate you more. Number two, making others feel important. It's about making people feel valued, which makes them more likely to trust you and be more open to your ideas. Number three, avoiding criticism. Carnegie suggests a powerful principle. Instead of criticizing people, learn to understand them and offer constructive feedback. So let's talk about why this book is worth reading. This book teaches essential principles on networking, making genuine interactions, genuine connections, or influencing people. It's a must read for people who are in leadership or customer facing roles. Book number four is The Secret. This book revolves around the law of attraction, the idea that positive thinking, visualization, affirmations can actually bring your desires into reality. So let's talk about the key takeaways from this book. Number one, the power of positive thinking. One of the biggest takeaways from this book is how our thoughts shape our reality. By focusing on what we want rather than what we don't, we actually bring our desires into reality and we attract positivity into our life. Number two, visualization. By visualizing our goals and believing in them, we can manifest them into existence. Number three, gratitude. The importance of practicing gratitude daily can invite abundance into your daily lives. So, this is something that I have incorporated into my daily life. I practice gratitude as part of my daily life routine. So, let's talk about why this book is worth reading. If you're looking for some motivation or you want to learn to manifest your dreams into your reality, this book is a must read. This book will also teach you the power of positivity and affirmations. You can actually start practicing affirmations as part of your daily routine. And yeah, this book is a great read, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This book is a profound guide to understanding the power of your subconscious mind. Dr. Joseph Murphy explains how the subconscious mind actually influences every part of our lives and how we can harness its power to achieve happiness, success, and even physical healing. Murphy emphasizes that our belief shapes our reality. By changing the way we think and believe, can actually influence the outcomes of our life. So, those are my must read books that I highly recommend for anyone who is looking up to grow personally, improve relationships, and have a better life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out on any of the content I post. Also, hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post content online. Till then, take care, keep loving, keep sharing happiness, and I really hope and pray that you all have a wonderful and grateful life. Thank you.